Hey everyone, today we are talking about data types in Python. A super important topic if you are just getting started with programming. We will keep it simple and focus on basic primitive data types. Let's jump right in. Now, what are data types anyway? Alright, so here is the deal. In programming, every piece of information is called a value, and the data type is basically the category that the value belongs to. Well, why does this matter? Because Python and almost all programming languages treat different types of data differently, and knowing what you are working with just makes your life a little easier. So, Python has four major primitive data types you need to know: integer, float, boolean, and strings. These are called primitive because they are the foundation for everything else, like lists, set, and tuples. Think of them as the building blocks of Python programming. An integer is any number without a decimal point. A float, on the other hand, has a decimal point. And here is an important point to note. Even if the decimal point is 0, it's still considered a float. For example, mathematically 0 and zero point 0.0 are equal. They are absolutely equal. But in Python, 0 is an integer, whereas zero point 0.0 is a float. Same goes for numbers like 1 integer, 1.0 a float. Interesting, right? Next up are booleans. Super simple, either true or false. That's it. These are good for things like decision making. Finally, let's talk about strings, which are basically text values wrapped in quotes, single, double, or maybe triple. Here is the cool part. It doesn't matter what inside these quotes. It could be number, boolean, or just some random text. If it's inside quotes, it's string. Let's see how well you have been paying attention. What are the data types for these values? 55.0 float, true, boolean, 6.02 in quotes, string, false in quotes, string, and 9.0 in quotes. Again, got them all right? Awesome. If not, no worries, it will click soon enough. And that's it for this video. See you next time.